Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing the bridge. I'm going to be doing doubles. So, my plan is I'm going to vote for Pirate. And, so you're on my team. Let's see. You know how to sprint while hitting. That's impressive. You can sprint while hitting. And, alright, you're either on Xbox or laptop because... But I voted for Pirate, I thought. I'll do the build over. Is my teammate going to be carrying? Apparently. Because apparently I'm not going to be doing anything. Our teammate's carrying. Alright, I killed one. I wanted to get the other one. He had to have died, right? Alright, what is anybody doing? Alright. Alright, they have the biggest spawn block on us. Apparently our teammate was trying to kill me the whole time. Alright, hopefully teammate can do anything, but at the same time he's working for the other team. That's what I thought. Teammate, could you please start working for me? Or yourself, I don't really care. Just at least don't jump into the void like me. And I missed my only shot. Alright, you're dead. But apparently my teammate thought it would be nice for him to boost him. Here, teammate, you get the other one. We killed them both? Are you joking me? I'm literally trash. They got the weirdest setup on us. Alright, since our teammate's gonna have to score. Thank you. I just set up a tiny bit of a spawn block, not a big one. But it's better than nothing. Alright, I'm just gonna yeet myself over you. Thank you. Alright, I got over you. Now I gotta be worried about you, JK. You're dead. Or dead enough. So they're probably gonna try bridging again, but somehow, I'm pretty sure he failed. Like, how do you... Alright, you just leap off into the void for me. Alright, this should be a good game. Looks like my teammate's been doing that. So, lag? Or did they just give up? They just gave up. One disconnected. The other just gave up. Alright, I'm getting the last one. Alright, double doubles. Double. Okay. I'm gonna pretend I never said that. And I said another doubles. Do you know what I should do? Now I'm always just gonna say a double. Alright, could somebody please join? I have been learning how to drag click. But it hasn't really been mattering because my mouse isn't sensitive enough. 2 votes? Who voted? Are these guys gonna sweat on me? Probably, I mean. Well, they're obviously better than me. Alright, teammate killed one. Never mind. No, he didn't. Alright. I don't really care if they score. I just care if I can get this. Oh, I need one more block to do that. Don't score. Why? Teammate, are you kidding me? I don't even care if they score, because I just got... This is like the spawn block of pirate, only you're not blocking their spawn. It's just, if the other team gets this... You missed! You weren't supposed to miss. You're not allowed to miss. Why are you missing? You're not supposed to be allowed to miss. Please, teammate, be able to get the other guy. He actually got the other guy. I'm impressed. Are you kidding me? Alright, teammate. Do you know what? You did good. What is my CPS? I have no clue, but I know it was really good. What even is that? Am I hacking? I'm not sure. I wouldn't be surprised. Yoink. Thank you. Can I hit that shot? Amazing shot. What? Alright. Good game, good game. That's all for today's episode. See you in the next one. Bye.